Hi, everybody. Welcome to Business 101, Introduction to Business. My name's Mike Cairns, and I'm going to be your instructor for for this course over the next 16 weeks. And I look forward to getting to know every one of you. One of the first assignments is an introduction, and I thought that seeing as I'm asking you to do that, it's only fair that I introduce myself to you as well. So my background is I grew up in Scotland and came to this country about 40 years ago. Got my citizenship last year. Took a long time. But I came here to go to school. I went to the University of Hartford in Connecticut and then started working for a public accounting firm after that in New York City. And then after several years, decided to move out here to California just in time for the big earthquake in 1989. I've been living in this area since then, and I've worked in all kinds of businesses. I've worked in startups, worked in Fortune 500 companies, started some businesses. I've got my own, it's a little consulting practice. I do higher education consulting. Most of my business experience for the past 10 years has been on the business side of colleges and universities. Anyway, what I really like though is working with students and helping them become successful. I like teaching entrepreneurship, small business management, and this course, Introduction to Business, because it gives you a broad base in all the different types of topics. So anyway, that's me, and again, I look forward to meeting you virtually, getting to know you, and hope we're all going to have a very successful semester. Thanks and welcome again. Bye.